Hi guys, this is Lauren from Tidal Robotics. Today I'm showing you how to use our data noise filter in the FlightStand software. All analog sensors exhibit some noise, so as a convenience, the software applies a 1 Hz cutoff noise filter. This means any noise or vibration above 1 Hz will be attenuated. Of course, this filter can be turned off or adjusted, which may be needed if you want to see the noise or vibrations to study them, for example, to check the balancing of a propeller. I'll show you the two locations in the software. You can adjust this filter. The first one is with the manual control tab here. So I'll turn on the ESC and turn it up. And then if I pull up the real-time plots, you'll see over here I have the option to toggle on and off unfiltered data. So what we have now is the filter data with the 1 Hz low pass filter. But if we toggle that on, we can see both the unfiltered and filtered data one on top of the other. So that's one place where you can play with that. The next is in the test tab. So this is after you've recorded and saved your data. As you can see, we have the automatic 1 Hz filter applied to it, but you can turn that all the way off if you want and see your unfiltered data, or you can apply a lower filter. Here we got 0.4 Hz, or if you want to have an even higher filter, but not completely off, you can turn that up as well. So you have a few options here for how much you want to filter the noise in your data.